Hi everyone, I am Adnakut from Adnakut Tube. Today I am going to show you how you can make a logo for free. So let's start. First step, search a logo making tool. You can also click the link below this video. Then it will take you to this page. Now this is where we are going to make our logo. Now this is a sample logo. So let's remove it by clicking new. Then click on yes. Now we have a blank page, therefore we can create our logo. Make icon of our logo. So to make the icon, click on add symbol. And we find different icons in categories. Now choose category which related to your brand. I am going to choose this one. And then pick an icon you like. So I am going to select this. Then it adds to your page. So once you have added your icon, next you can edit it to make it more special. So let's say you want to change the color of this icon. Then click on the place where you want to change the color. And click here. And change the color from here. Okay, so now we have changed the color. Next, let's see how you can customize this icon. So let's say you don't want to use this symbol. To remove it, just select the part which you want to remove and then click the I button. And as you can see, the parts we have selected has been removed. Next, let's see how you can make your icon more unique. So add another icon and place it inside this icon. So let's try it. So click on add symbol and pick your second icon. Now I am going to place this icon here. And change this color. To change, click on the place where you want to change and change the color here. So now we have successfully created our icon. Next step is add your brand name to your logo. So to add your brand name, click on Add Text, then enter your own text. Also you can add tagline. Therefore click Add Text again and enter your tagline. You can change its size by dragging here. And if you want to change the text color, just click on it and change the color here. Now we have added our brand name and tagline. Next, let's see how we can make our brand name more special. So click here and click on duplicates. Now let's remove two from here and remove Adnapot from here. Change font of tube. Then place here by dragging. And apply new font by clicking here. So our logo become unique. The final step is downloading the logo. So to download the logo, just click save and download, then enter your email and click save and continue. And now the logo will be sent to your email. So to get it, go to your email and open the mail you have received. Then you'll get in different formats. So once you download the logo, you can use it anywhere you want. So it's all about today. Thank you.